Kenya is a COMESA hub in many respects. It's an economic hub, it's a transport hub, it's a knowledge hub, it's a hub in many, many respects, and we feel very honored to have Kenya as a member of our regional body. And specifically for Kenya, like I said, Kenya is a flagship country, and Kenya is leading in many respects in our region, and especially in the climate change response strategy and action plan that you are unveiling to us today. And we are pleased to say that COMESA played a small role, but we hope it was significant in supporting Kenya to come up to this position. We did that because we believe Kenya can lead the region in this regard, and we can use the lessons that we have learned in Kenya to replicate or adapt them to other member states, and we will be doing so in the new year. And we also need to acknowledge, we are happy that CDKN and DFID are here. We also need to acknowledge that resources that have enabled us to do this have come from DFID, from Norway, and others.